Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today in this video I am talking about if your internet access is blocked and you are suddenly receiving this message, then here are some troubleshooting tips that might get out of this and restore your internet connection. So hopefully this video helps you, and if you have any question then don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. So in order to restore it, first method you wanna try is just go to the control panel and click on the Windows Defender setting and choose Firewall and Network Protection. So once it's open, turn off the Microsoft Defender Firewall setting. So basically what you are doing here is turning off the Windows Defender all that might be blocking your internet connection, and hopefully turning off that will properly have the restore your internet connection. So after that, refresh your internet browser and verify that if the connection restore or not. But in case if it's not, then we have to move the second option. The second method you want to try is to go to the control panel again, and this time choose system and security. After that you have to go select Windows Firewall, and then however you have to go to advanced settings and check the inbound and outbound setting. Make sure you are carefully on what you are doing here. So read the right and services and change the settings very carefully. So basically what it does, it dedicated which connection and apps it has to allow or internet action, and which should not be allowed for internet access. So incoming connection and outgoing connection, so both are affected based on the communication that you have provided here. So if you find something fishy, then just change the rule in the setting, and you should be able to restore the internet connection again. But in case still it is not work for you, then we have to go the last method which work for me by doing this. So for that, just go to the control panel again and then choose to network and internet. After that you have to click on troubleshoot tab, and here you have to click on the last option, additional troubleshooter, this option. Then you have to look for network or internet adapter. So once it up, you have to click on run the troubleshooter, and it will detect the main problem or find out which application is blocked your internet connection. So once it's find out the problem, then you have to do one more thing, that is just go to device manager and choose your internet adapter. Then you have to update the latest version of the adapter. Okay, so guys, that's all the method of solving the problem. So I hope one of them are work for you, and if it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.